Welcome to the NIOS Mass Communication session, subject code 335 from Senior Secondary Course with Easy Edu. Lesson number 1, Introduction to Communication. Introduction. Communication is an essential activity in our day-to-day life. Without communication, survival and the existence of human civilization is not possible. In this chapter, we are going to study different forms and types of communication, and how did early humans communicate when words and sound were not developed. Understanding human communication. Communication occurs when we think of exchanging our ideas with others or giving some information to others. Communication took place in our daily life in two ways: speak or tell, and without words. Why do we communicate? Communication is essential for society to survive. All humans, who may be rich or poor, living in big houses or in huts, literate or illiterate, all of them speak or interact with one another. We communicate to inform, misinform, counsel, confuse, sell and buy, confirm, learn, teach, advise, accept, confirm, clarity and many more. What is communication? Communication is social interaction through messages. Communication is sharing of experiences. How do we communicate? To establish communication, we have used our 5 senses. Touch, sight, taste, hearing and smell fall under the 5 communication senses. When communicate through 5 senses, without using voice, is known as non-verbal communication. To establish communication with the help of voice is known as verbal communication or oral communication. Verbal communication is the use of words to share information with other people. It can therefore include both spoken and written communication. Oral communication is communicating with spoken words. It's a verbal form of communication when you present your thoughts, ideas, and share information. Advantages and disadvantages of oral communication. The table is given below. Kindly pause the video and go through the table. Written communication. Language and writing developed much later in man's early history. The first script is supposed to be found in China. Writing communication means sending messages, orders, or instructions in writing through letters, circulars, manuals, reports, online social media, office memos, bulletin, डाक, emails, etc. It is a formal method of communication and is less flexible. Advantages and disadvantages of written communication. The table is given below. Kindly pause the video and go through the table. Types of communication. There are 4 types of communication. Intrapersonal communication. Intrapersonal communication means talking to yourself in your mind. It is the way you think, reflect, analyze, and make decisions inside your head. E.g., when you plan something, motivate yourself, or think about your feelings. In simple terms, it's the communication that happens within you. Interpersonal communication. Interpersonal communication means communication between 2 or more people. It is the way we share ideas, feelings, and information through talking, writing, or even body language. E.g., having a chat with a friend, discussing in class, or texting someone. In simple terms, it's the communication that happens with others. Group communication. Group communication means sharing ideas and information within a group of people who have a common purpose. It helps in discussion, decision-making, and teamwork. E.g., class discussions, team meetings, or family talks. In simple terms, it's communication that happens in a group. Mass communication. Mass communication means sharing information with a large number of people at the same time, usually through media. It is one-way communication from one source to many. E.g., TV, radio, newspapers, social media, or online news. In simple terms, it's communication with the masses through media. More information. For more details and better understanding, please go through the information given below. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Happy learning by Easy Edu.